In today's video, we're going to show you how to use our drop-through template. The tools you'll need will be a drill, a 3/4 inch spade bit, a jigsaw, a router, a top mount bearing flush trim router bit, 4 pieces of nuts and bolts, and awl, a drop-through template, along with the instructions. Once the truck holes have been drilled, you can mount the drop-through template to the deck using the hardware included with the template. Insert the screws in the drop-through template, flip the deck over, and fasten the bolts to the deck. You can use a skate tool and screwdriver to accomplish this. Make sure not to tighten the bolts too tightly to prevent damage to the deck. Once the drop-through template has been securely fastened to the deck, take the 2 inner pieces of the template and place it within the middle. The center piece of the template has 2 holes where an awl needs to be used to mark out where you're going to drill later. Remove the center piece of the template and trace around the second inner piece using a pencil. The pencil marking will be used as a guide for the jigsaw later. Using your drill and the 3/4 inch spade bit, drill 2 holes using the awl markings you previously made. Drill halfway through the deck until you can see the end of the drill bit come out the other side. Next, flip the deck over and continue drilling through the existing holes. This will prevent any tear out on the veneer. Once you have completely drilled through the board, flip the board over and prep the jigsaw. Insert the jigsaw blade into one of the holes in the deck and cut out the pencil marking outline that you previously made. Careful not to hit the outside of the template with the jigsaw. Now that you've connected the 2 holes with the jigsaw, grab your router and route out the remaining material using the main part of the template. Avoid routing in the same spot for too long to prevent burning the wood. Now that you've routed out the inside of the template, you can begin to remove the bolts. Now all that's left is complete the same process on the other side of the deck. And here's the finished drop-through deck. If you have any questions, please call or email us or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.